morning, Group 52. As we quickly approach 2025, many things seem uncertain and unstable. Economies around the world are collapsing. A famine could be on the way. A drought could be right around the corner. As if that's not bad enough, many of us are experiencing funerals in our family, and those that are alive seem as if they're not doing well. There's many problems all around us. Yes, this is plenty reason to cry. Take your moment, experience what you need to. But when you're done, pick yourself up and consider, like Mordecai told Esther, maybe, just maybe, you were born for a time such as now. Maybe God has placed you in this nation, in your family, because you have the ability to change something. Imagine what would happen if every particular family had 2 or 3 intercessors praying for their family. You better believe if God does not answer prayer and fasting, you serve the wrong God. So pick yourselves up, be in good spirits, and know that when you come together and pray and fast, you have a God that hears you. So assemble the team for your family and watch how the Lord responds. Thank you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.